Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring why context engineering is the future of enterprise AI, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses.
From automation to enterprise judgment, enterprises have squeezed solid gains from automation. But when decisions span risk, strategy, and real-time shifts, traditional AI starts to wobble. Static prompts and single-model pipelines don't carry context across functions or time. Context engineering changes the center of gravity. It's the discipline of structuring goals, data domain logic, and feedback so AI can think with you, not for you. As Subhranshu Shekhar Das puts it, context engineering marks a shift from automating tasks to amplifying enterprise thought. What systems are you putting in place to let decision intelligence scale across functions and geographies, consistently, audibly, and with traceability?
Why prompting hits a ceiling? Prompt engineering is great for outputs. Strategy needs reasoning. Real-world decisions involve evolving intent, cross-functional inputs, and trade-offs that change hour to hour. A static prompt can't carry that load. What would it take for your AI to adapt to how your business actually reasons, rather than forcing teams to adapt to the tool?
What context engineering actually does? Think of context engineering as the scaffold around AI. It binds live enterprise data, industry signals, ontologies, and business rules into a system that can simulate outcomes, maintain chains of reasoning, and learn from human feedback in real time. The goal isn't a smarter model, it's a smarter system of thought that preserves judgment. Is your enterprise building systems that mirror how strategic decisions are made, not just how documents are produced?
The architecture in action, MetaBrain. Here's how platforms like MetaBrain operationalize context engineering. Intent structuring to capture goals and constraints that steer every agent. Real-time data orchestration so decisions reflect the latest signals, not yesterday's snapshot. Domain-aligned ontologies and business logic to encode how your industry actually works. Reasoning agents with reinforcement learning to test options, get feedback, and improve. Human-in-the-loop oversight so experts validate, calibrate, and retain control. This produces adaptive, explainable, and scalable decision intelligence. Which piece of this stack, intent, data, logic, agents, or oversight, will move your outcomes fastest in the next quarter?
Advisory AI. Multiplying, not replacing. Traditional advisory ecosystems matter more than ever. Framing the right questions, curating benchmarks, validating against stakeholder expectations. Context engineering codifies those practices into workflows AI can execute and scale. The result, advisory depth that travels across regions, clients, and use cases without losing nuance. Where can you codify your best practices once and deploy them many times without diluting expertise?
A concrete win, strategic supply chain planning. One industrial manufacturer used MetaBrain to tackle cross-functional supply chain bottlenecks. By embedding context engineering into planning, they cut decision cycle latency by 40%, synchronized procurement, logistics, and risk in a single reasoning loop. Let local teams simulate impacts before acting. This is what adaptive decision intelligence looks like when context drives the system. Which high-friction decision could benefit most from a shared reasoning loop across functions?
That's all for today on Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For full access to featured resources and actionable tools to support your vision alignment journey, check out the episode links. To learn how Frost and Sullivan can help your organization align vision with opportunity, visit frost.com and metafrost.ai/. Until next time, stay future-focused and growth-ready.